My name is Sheldon Miller. I've been involved with the business more than 20 years. My grandfather started the business back in 1960. Currently in-house, we are laser cutting, forming both light gauge on a forming machine and heavier gauge on a press brake, as well as spot welding, TIG and MIG welding. So a lot of moving parts. As we started to grow and we had numerous estimators, project managers, there were times when customers would send in a quote to one project estimator, and then maybe 3 months later send the same item into another estimator and they would get a different price back. So that always was a challenge.
My name is Matt Malleus. I'm the project managing supervisor. My role is to create estimates and quotes for our customers, as well as manage projects through the shop. I'm also the admin to SigmaNEST. We have 3 Trump lasers. We have a Safan Darley press brake, and we provide welding services as well. Big challenges we had with the growth of our company was working in Excel, Google Docs, not being able to get quotes out quickly every day to our customers. The gain from SigmaNEST was to be able to keep part data within the parts and have it repeatable for the next time. We were looking to combine the nesting software and the MRP software to be able to take all the data that was in SigmaNEST and transfer it to MRP to quote in real time. We're able to reduce our programming time by half and allows the programmer to do other tasks. For quoting our new customers, we request files to be able to import. We can then gather that information into our part data. We nest each material. We then were able to provide our customers with a quote in a very quick time. Once we receive a purchase order from our customers, we're able to quickly export that information directly into our software. And in real time, everyone can see when that job is live and is ready to be processed. So remnants are able to be tracked. Once a job has been posted, all the remnants go back into the system with batch numbers. When we equate our orders for production, Sigma schedule comes into play as far as able to create dates for our operations to be able to make sure they're done in time for our due dates. Those jobs are compiled by a programmer for each machine, for each material. This is then shows onto color offload, the process that the operator has to go through in real time, as well as each sheet that is needed to be cut and all data that's needed to be seen. Once a part's cut from the laser, color offload tells it the next station to go to. That goes to shop floor data capture. That then each station is able to then see the information is necessary to produce that part, complete the operation. It prints a tag to then tell you the next station that is necessary. SigmaMRP has a great opportunity to be adaptable to whatever you need. If you don't need certain things, it works with it. And if you have add-ons you need during down the line, you can add them on. I feel like the software is able to be used however you need it. The extra business additives to SigmaNEST MRP is the integration between the softwares, that they're able to be live and help you work with your business without using any paper.
We've been using Sigmatek for approximately 7 years now, being able to send out programs to different machines using one software. We have jobs ready to go, and we can move those and sort those around very easily and quickly. Ultimately, our customer likes a one-stop shop. So if they have a complicated assembly, they like to be able to trust us to be able to handle everything. Every shop is unique and different, and everybody goes about doing things differently. The thing to keep in mind is, we are going to grow together.